Hi, it's Matt from Octane. I hope you're well. Here we are with our latest edition. Going to do a quick walk around video this morning of this wonderfully presented 2021. Look how good that looks from the front. 2021 Volkswagen Caddy 2-litre TDI Commerce Pro. This is a Maxi with twin sliding doors and an automatic gearbox. These vans are just fabulous to drive, these later Caddies. Absolutely superb. And this one in particular has been so well looked after. So 2021, it's done 59,000 miles from new. It's had two owners. The second owner's had it for the majority of its life. The first owner, we believe, was Volkswagen. The spec is just to die for. These vans drive so well, these later Caddies. Automatic gearbox, 122 horsepower, 2-litre TDI, Indium Grey, which is a fabulous colour, and just look at the way it looks. We were fortunate enough to buy this directly from the second owner, who'd, like I say, owned it for most of its life, and I've never met a gentleman more passionate about a van. This van has had very, very light use only driven by him, just used very, very sparingly. It's got a fabulous Volkswagen main dealer service history, 59,000 miles, and just absolutely perfect. Twin sliding doors, lots of modifications, which I'll run through in a second. Great specification, automatic gearbox, absolutely superb, really is. So here we go, this is 2021. The van has undergone some upgrades, as you can see. So starting with the front, how good does that look? We've got a gloss black splitter, which has been added just under that honeycomb lower grille, which complements the black upper grille really, really nicely. Just gives it that really aggressive look, stand out, and looks superb. So we've got the gloss black front lower splitter. Moving around the side, I'll come back to the wheels in a second. We've got the side skirts in gloss black to match. This van is in superb condition, it really is. As you can see there, the black side skirts just set it apart really, really nicely. Moving round the rear, we've got a black, again, gloss rear spoiler to match. And then we have these brand new, beautiful matte bronze Velocity 19-inch alloy wheels. These are brand new tyres. They've just been put on this week, never been used. Look at the detail on those. We've got brand new discs and pads to the rear, as you can see through the wheels. This van has undergone our usual checks. We've changed the brakes to the rear. It was only serviced by Volkswagen in May, which was about 5,000 or 6,000 miles ago. But we've got these beautiful brand new matte bronze Velocity wheels that are just absolutely stunning. The spec on the Commerce Pro is superb. As you can see, I'm just looking down the sides of this van. It's absolutely arrow straight, no scuffs, no marks, no dings. Really, really nice van, this. Absolutely lovely. It has had the suspension lowered, so we've got lowering springs to both front and rear just to give it that more aggressive stance. The van will still carry the weight as per, which is great. So it's just had some subtle modifications. Just really, really stands out now. Beautiful, beautiful van. As I say, just under 60,000 miles. All the keys, all the papers, full Volkswagen service history from new. Great specification. So, moving inside, we've got heated folding electric mirrors, electric windows, central locking. We've got the comfort seats there with the lumbar, etc. These seats are just immaculate. 2021, 59,000 miles. Twin armrests. Look at the footwells. They're like new, absolutely like new. Got all the lighting, got heated front screen. Leather steering wheel, which is, I'm going to say it again, it's like new. It's unmarked. No marks, no scuffs, no rings. DSG automatic gearbox, automatic handbrake. Satellite navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android audio, all fitted and included. We've got cruise control. We've got the guided cruise there on the front. Great specification. It's absolutely immaculate in here. Bulkhead to the rear. Headlining immaculate. Footwell's beautiful. Door kick plates, not even a mark. Absolutely lovely. All the stickers in all the right places. Moving into the rear. It's been ply lined. As I say, very, very light use, as you can see. Ready to go. These Maxis are great. You can get loads in these. Twin sliding doors, as I say. Look at the bulkhead. It's absolutely immaculate. It's been used as a car, really, not a van. It's just been driven from kind of job to job, where he was quoting for work and monitoring things with his business. So it's been very much just a car for the journeys rather than a work vehicle. Twin doors to the back. Absolutely lovely. Nice bit of ply lining, as I say, very light use. Got park distance control to the rear. And as I say, twin sliding doors. There we go. Great on the diesel, these. Absolutely fabulous on the MPG. This is a great van for someone, this. Lots of uses for this. It's a very rare find. It's just immaculate. It really is. All the books, all the papers, as I say, full Volkswagen service history from new. Just been through our workshops as well. This is ready to go. It's absolutely stunning. If you would like to come and have a look at it, we'd love to show you around. We've got indoor showrooms in Rochdale, North Manchester, and we'd be delighted to talk to you a little bit more about this one. Volkswagen Caddy, 60,000, just under 60,000 miles, 2021, automatic, Commerce Pro. Thanks for watching.